Who lives up there?
God.
God lives up there? On the roof? Really? That's an interesting place. You think he's cold? Oh, okay. We should get him a jacket or something, huh?
There's something quietly amusing about caring for a puppy this small. The bottle, the patience, the way everything slows down for a few minutes at a time. He's cute enough to make you forget that in a few hours, we'll be up again, and then again after that. It's ironic how something so tiny can completely rearrange your sleep, your routine, and your expectations. You tell yourself you'll be firm, you'll set boundaries, you won't let it get to you. And then he looks at you, and whatever frustration you had just disappears. I can already see the classic story playing out in my head, the Christmas puppy moment, where the excitement belongs to the kids, but the work quietly lands on the adults. And still, I'm hopeful. Hopeful that this becomes shared responsibility, that the boys learn what it means to care for something that depends on you. Because as tired as we'll be, this feels like the start of something we're willing to figure out together.
Later. Jalan, bye. Bye.
Like a tea.
Is it good? Yeah? Meets the Mahrez tea of approval. Where's the thumbs up? 2 thumbs up for that tea? Okay. Are we gonna get ready for school and get out of here? Yay! Ooh. Who lives up there?
God.
God lives up there? On the roof? Really? That's an interesting place. You think he's cold? Oh, okay. We should get him a jacket or something, huh? You ready for school? It'll be okay.
What an interesting theory this morning.
Amen. Amen, right?
Mahrez.
Let me see it. Oh, careful, careful. You got your yoga done? Ready for school? Because you got your yoga done? Good job, bro. Like getting up and saying,
Yeah, you know I'm
we're
ready.
gonna laugh, we're gonna smile, we're gonna appreciate.
People, we understand that it's not every time you get up and laugh,
Right.
you have to laugh and smile because based on one night outside,
It's the reminder to tell yourself that when those events happen, you take a breath. Or two. Mahrez.
Mahrez for breakfast. Mahrez, what do you want for breakfast?
Yo, come here. Come be a part of the meeting. Let's go. Table meeting. It's when those things happen and you have to remind yourself, this is my goal. This is what I'm supposed to tell myself. It's not going to be so bad. Come on. You're going to be a part of the meeting. The special Mahrez edition. Hi. Wave to everybody. Hi, I'm a part of the meeting. Yay. Yeah. It's been fun. We have a puppy. He's actually been really good, I'm not gonna lie. Like for the cards he's been dealt. He's gets up every few hours, eats, pees, poops, sleeps. Him and Emma are still getting to know each other. What are you thinking about the puppy? You like the puppy? Huh? Remember the puppy's name? Yeah. It's been fun. Sonya's had a great time too.
No, I can't keep up with no puppy.
We're split shifts.
Okay.
We're working on split shifts. She gets the early night hours, and I get the early morning. Is that a good way to put it? The 2, the 5, the 7, and we have done it. Well, we just presented the opportunity, getting him off the bottle, just like that, man. Sonia had a premonition. She said, "You know what? We should try, vision board style." He's lapping. Is that what she said?
Yep.
He was lapping. She was laughing and he was lapping. And next thing you know it, he's eating out of a dish just like you, bro. Just like you.
We don't understand, say, dog no like drink out of bottle unless a them mother nipple.
I don't understand that, you're right.
Yeah, for one go suck through nipple. If nipple back give them, yep.
Okay.
Dog lap through dog different from cow and goat.
And we have other exciting news. You ready for it? Guess whose birthday it is today? Is it Mahrez's birthday? No. Is it Junior's birthday? No. Is it Craig's birthday? No. Is it Dave's birthday? Yay! Oh, you're flinging stuff. We're cheering. Yay! It's Dave's birthday today, which means we gotta go get a cake. Oh, you don't want cake, do you? Yay, we want cake! Right? And you know what Dave wants for dinner? Spaghetti. Yay, spaghetti! But you know what we gotta do first? Go to school. Yay, school! Like that? Close enough. All right, let's do this. Let's go. We're going. We're leaving. We're leaving. You want tea? All right, let's go get tea.
Yeah, follow me, guys. Just make a tell you how I get. Please. I'll just drop everything and make this.
So you're gonna follow me to Port Maria to go find a cake and maybe some glasses, please.
Okay, so I get you know. For me, for the Port Maria.
You're right. Cake do sell in Highgate. Ooh, we'll figure it out. All right.
Getting used to having like some. Oh boy. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry, you're interrupting my conversation. Hi, let's go. Hi, everybody's up and ready. I know, I can't believe it's me too. Hi guys, this is getting... Okay, we're gonna feed you guys and we'll get back to the conversation. Excuse me, pardon me. Hi. All right, you know the drill. Little here to distract you. Okay, ready? There we go. Everybody's happy. Cool. All right, you guys are good. You guys are good. You gals are good. Good. Anyway, where was I? Oh, yes. Having reminders of, like, what it was like to not go with a full night's sleep. It's been a while. It's been a while. Getting up at 2 and 5 and 7. Well, 7's normal, but yeah, it's been fun. I think. Oh, another egg. Added to the group. Almost enough to incubate. By yourself? It's concentrating. All right, let's see it. Oh, I found the right foot. That's a good start. Oh, now what? Got to do the boot scoot, heel scoot. Nice, good job. Oh, you got polo socks on today? I see them. That's it. Good job, man. Pull the tongue. That's one. Can you do the other one? I don't know. The right one's the hardest one. No, the one you're putting on right now. That's the hardest one. Can you do it? You think so? Yeah, take out the tongue. Put in the polo.
This is my bits. Why is rushing and create their room?
I think you know why.
Sure.
Yes. Is it in? Is it in? Is it in? Get the thing. Oh, let me see the walk. Let me see the walk. Let me see the walk. I did it walk. Ready? And hey, okay. We're going to school. I tell you what, you know what makes you feel alive again when you got things happening, things going down. You're getting pushed to the retirement extreme. I don't know how people that work are able to do the whole puppy thing, because that's a big commitment. I see all those Christmas specials where the kid gets the puppy and everybody's happy, but dang, the kid sleeps all night, and then the adult gets to handle all the front end and the back end. Not only that, it's Dave's birthday today. The big 1-4. I know. Morning. Yeah. We gotta get Dave a cake today for his birthday, bro. Dave wants a vanilla cake with frosting. Yeah.
And we have to go back to school already.
Oh, okay. You gonna bring some cake home then?
Eh?
Oh, who's gonna get your belt done first? You or Nana? I got it. I'll get her. You go. I got it. I'll distract her. Go. Quick. Ah, she got me.
Yeah, fight.
She's fighting me back. She's strong. Oh no! She's stronger than me. Hurry. Yeah. Oh. Whatever it takes. We're going to school. Wow, cake, ice cream, and cupcakes? You're gonna be so full of sugar. Yay, your favorite, bro. We're good. No going off the edge. All right. This is your stop. This is it. This is goodbye. It's not goodbye, it's just goodbye for now, okay? Who's gonna beat Nana out of the car? Oh no, she's gonna beat you. Oh no, he didn't move. Shania's waiting, bro. You gotta go. Yeah, I got places to be, things to do, cake to buy. Where's my lovin's? Oh, love you. Do your best, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell Shania I said hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell Nana. What? You're gonna get carried? Bye. Love you. Love you more. Oi. Bye. Love you. See you. Later. Bye. Ugh, they grow up so quick. Anyway, what else is going on? Yeah, super, not so super. We'll see. I can do this. Short on sleep a little bit, as predicted, but going strong. Speaking of going strong, got a call. Here's the short version, promise, from the principal at Belfield Elementary. Here's the fun fact. The principal at Belfield, this is where Junior goes to school. He, back when I was a volunteer here, 17 years ago, was a teacher at Belfield Elementary. So, and I had volunteered there for a brief period of time, and so I remember him from when I was last year. Anyway, the short version is, at the start of last school year, I had suggested an idea to him that I would be available for a day or so a week to help with any sort of programs he might have in place that would require some, maybe like pull-out program, remedial, whatever. And he called me yesterday and said that there is another person that is a retired Jamaican, but taught in foreign and came back to Jamaica. And they are going to also be interested in doing some sessions, group work. I don't even know at the school. And so I've got a meeting there at 9:30 to discuss ideas and map out plausible schedules. Which means, like, I gotta go put on a collared shirt and a pair of pants and real shoes and socks. It's been a while, but I'm sure I have them lying around somewhere. I'm awake. We can do this. It's gonna be a great day. All right, 9:13. That's right. Collared shirt, pants, shoes, socks. Might even almost get there on time. We'll see. Dave wants spaghetti tonight. That's exciting. Of all the things he could eat for dinner, he said spaghetti. And Sonia's on puppy duty. We're going. Okay, 9:27. Proud of my foreign punctuality. You know, I can't say this very often, but when I say to myself that the road is not as bad as I recall, that doesn't happen very often. Usually it's rather worse, but today the road was not as bad as I recalled. So we made it back to Belfield Primary. It's only been 17 years. Not that anyone's counting. And it's 9:28. Punctuality. Might even have to tie my shoes. Let's maybe not get carried away. Alright, we'll see how it goes. Well, that was fun. What a fun, eventful meeting we had. Let me tell you, it was really interesting to get to catch up with some people I haven't seen for a long time. And we got a plan. We are going to do a pull-out program, and schedule-wise it actually works out really well. She's available 3 days out of the week, and I'm going to take on Wednesday and Friday, and start next week assessing some kids, working with the upper grade level boys, and trying to get them a bit more caught up so that we can get them to take the best pep as possible. Yes, I'm telling myself it's good. I might have to get some more fancy clothes. But the good news is we'll be working with the same kids Wednesday and Friday. Can't wait to tell Sonia and see what she says. I'm gonna go home. Okay, I got the puppy update. He's been out. We're gonna call it tinkled. Am I too old to say tinkled? I don't think so. I'm gonna say it anyway. He tinkled a few times. Once outside and then a couple indecisive, I'm not finished spots, but he's up to, so we started him off at about 15 milliliters, or I'm getting my metric system going, man. Yeah, 15 milliliters or a tablespoon. When we first started the bottle, a whole like 2 days ago, and now we've gradually increased it as he's developed more of an appetite, and he's up to almost 2 tablespoons per feeding, taking it down like a champ. And we're gonna, according to the Google, get him about 5 to 10 minutes of some sunshine outside each day with the help of that whole vitamin D thing. But learning a lot about puppies. Feeling I could use another coffee soon because we're fading. But either way, we are gonna go out and look about ingredients. Dave wanted spaghetti. We'll get spaghetti. Well, we have a bunch of noodles and a bunch of sauce. Thank you for that lovely barrel once again. But we got to get some spicy sausages that he likes, and I think I know where to get them. And we got to go find a cake. Vanilla, plain, with frosting. Or we might have to make one. If we can't find one, we'll have to make one. Or we'll have to go all the way to Port Maria, and then I'll have to pick up my glasses. Suspense. What will happen? Will Sonia get ready? On time. Where is Sonia? Son, you soon ready? I'm already dressed up. Nothing. All right. Mission is simple. Hardware store for the supplies we need to start the new, what do you call it?
Project?
Yes, it's a project, but like,
it's
a walkway, it's a walking path. Yeah?
Yeah, walking path.
A new walking path. Gonna go get the supplies for that. Well, order them. Have them delivered. Yay. Cake. Spicy sausages.
Yeah. We'll get them there.
Well, they're at Marlin's, but they might have them at the cake place.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Soda.
And
we need the party cups. We need cups.
For what?
You know, say downtown China go buy the thing where you see now they store for the deal.
Surprise! What's in store for Dave?
Remember say the
I know.
Okay then, you know.
So what else do we need from the shop?
Downtown China?
Yeah, anything? Alright, we'll figure it out. Game, the best kind of game. Guess that price.
Okay.
Sonia's playing Guess That Price. Feel free to play along as well. Here we go. We are going to be trying to get 5 lengths of 3/8 inch steel, 12 bags of cement, 4 yards of wash sand, 3 yards of gravel, 1 bag of tin set, 2 sheet of curved ply, 1 length lathe.
Why? What's curved?
I don't know. I'm just a guy reading the thing. And 2, it says hacksaw blades. I'm assuming he means hacksaw blades. So, how much do you think that'll be?
At saw blade?
Hacksaw blades.
Where's the on that?
Honey,
At saw blade?
hacksaw.
Eh?
That's not the point.
Okay.
The point is, how much do you think it's going to cost? Less than 100?
Maybe less. Maybe 100 and...
We'll be right back and let you know. Alright, okay, through the power of editing. That only took, how long, Craig? 15 minutes? 10 minutes? 15. Got in, got the order, got out, figured out what curved ply was. But
What's a curved ply anyway?
it's basically just like thin ply that you can, it's malleable. What was
So
that
it
for?
can bendable, flexible.
Yeah, because he's got to make it to.
Oh, so
to
it's
do
gonna
this.
cut it to do the zigzag.
Yeah, I got a picture of the walkway he drew. I'll show you guys on here if I can figure it out. But yeah, grand total, including an $8,000 delivery
so much
fee.
money for delivery.
I don't
It's
know.
2-3 trip.
It's probably 2 trips. I don't know.
Damn,
It's the new
that's-
year, 2026.
Oh my word, that's a lot.
Oh well. Grand total, 85,000.
Last year they
85,000.
charged 3,000.
Well, it was 2 or 3,000, depending on how
Yeah.
much. Yeah, but this is like sand, gravel, the whole shebang. But 85,000 for the supplies. Labor costs going to be 122, so we're right just over 200, about 200. Well, we still got to get more cement later. So as of right now, this Sonia Walkway project, as I'm going to call it, it's a little over 200, about 210.
Why you know says Sonia and Tyler Walkway project?
It's Fiwi
Okay.
Walkway.
Okay,
How's
Fiwi
that?
Walkway project.
I like the way you said it better.
Yeah, Fiwi.
Yeah.
Not just the Sonia.
Fiwi.
All of we walk on the
All of we walkway.
All of we
We're gonna put a
walkway,
sign.
Yeah, all of we walkway.
No enemies.
And put
Only
me-
all of
put me
we's.
handprint on them. Or my
Oh,
footprint.
you want to do that? We could put the little paw prints too. We gotta
You
get
better
a cake.
get going.
We're making 2026 dreams come true.
So
Only-
just have a buy ice, yeah?
No, we're just gonna put them together. I've tried to get ones that have the icing on the side.
Yeah, so you just put them
You can
together.
put them together. I got 6. That should be plenty. Had to buy piecemeal plain cake, but we're gonna put it together. And they actually had a 1 and a 4. Honey, it's just cake.
You know?
And they actually had a 1 and a 4. Every time we look for numbers, they always missing one. But more importantly,
you buy Campbell.
yes, a 1 and a 4. They had it. There was only like 2 4s left. More importantly, maybe equally as important, I found eggplant. Only $400 a pound. It's $800. $5 for 5 eggplants.
How much you pay for that?
800 for 2 pounds. Yes, you know how hard it is, and the one eggplant I'm growing is not going to look good. It doesn't look good. I don't think it's going to make it. But we're going to make 2026 vision board dreams come true. Let the kids try eggplant tonight. Whew.
You know, if you make it.
I know how Google can tell me to make it. And we're going home because the puppy's probably awake and wondering where we are. Final word, dear.
So, here we put it with the eggplant.
She's going to tell me all about it on the way home. Surprise coming soon. One of the reasons our gardening has stagnated is when we think about the cost efficiency ratio. Like, I got 5 of these, 5 for $5, $1 a piece. Look, I'm a little excited. Smells like egg. 5 beautiful eggplant for $5. I know it's supposed to taste better when you grow it on your own, but I'm going to theorize and say maybe it tastes better when you get a good deal on it. And we're going to find a good recipe that they might actually eat. I'm thinking air fryer. Checking off that 2026 vision board list, starting with eggplant. That's okay. It's the cup that counts. Speaking of cups, there's Craig's cup. Yeah. He drank without us. Okay, round 3. Is it only 2? No, it's 3. I went out already once this morning. Can you grab the key? It's in the lock. Round 3. Now, gotta go get Mahrez, and we gotta go back to Highgate because the couch covers are both now available. And we're going to go look for an alarm clock for each of the boys because it's dawned on me that every single weekday I get up early and I don't go to school. Not yet. But I don't have to get up that early if the boys have alarm clocks because we don't permit their cell phones in their room at nights. So an alarm clock. Old-fashioned on an alarm clock. It's going to be great. We're going to go see if we can find one. Ready? Yeah. Charge. What's up? She didn't come?
No.
Oh, man.
They say to test today and you do good.
Really?
We do test of it. So
How'd you do?
good.
It's good? Like, how good? Like, A+?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And you go on the back them much balloon and much cup.
Wow. Counted the balloons and the cups? How many were there?
1, 2, 3, 4, no, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There were 7 balloons?
Yeah, 7 them did it.
Okay.
I said I didn't do it.
And Shania wasn't there? Dang.
Tear up your dress and your shirt and the clothes.
Oh, it was you. I knew it. Yeah, yesterday Mahrez had a little shirt problem. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, make sure not tear that.
You did good today. But guess who beat you getting your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Guess who beat you? She distracted you, dude.
I'm getting ready.
I can't. She's already got it on, man. It's too late. But you get yours on, and we're going to go to Highgate. Nana's got to go pick up something very special. Okay? Or you don't want to go? You want to go or you don't want to go?
No.
All right. Sounds good. Let's go. Okay, guess what? Show them what we get. What do we get? We got a box for Nana. and honey and castor oil. Show them off. Show them off. Look at that. Tree 5 for that big old bottle of castor oil. 1400 for local honey.
Oh, honey is so cheap. Because they can't get
Well, I mean, honestly, I don't know the answer. But
well,
more importantly, Nana, what Nana get?
Box.
A box, and what do you got? What do you got for me? It's better than a blanket. Let me see it. Let me see it. I gotta show them. It is a furniture cover. It stretches. Couch cover. 2 couches for the living room. Oh, okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Most importantly, we went up and down the whole of Highgate to find one, and they they didn't even know that they had it. The guy had one that he was using at the register, and I was like, I want like that one, and they thought that was it. And then this amazing lady came and said, I think there's one more, and they dug and dug, and eventually we found one. Alarm clock. Don't tell Dave, guys, but it also is a Bluetooth speaker.
I did one too.
But it actually
did
plugs
one
into the
too.
wall to charge, so
I did one this.
I might get to sleep in tomorrow. Maybe even they'll even get up for the puppy. Who knows? We're gonna figure. Yeah, whoever gets the alarm clock in the room, they're the one that has to get up. So it's like, how excited are you if you want? I'm gonna give. Well, it's Dave's. Oh, it's Dave's birthday. Birthday present. Shh. Best birthday present ever. I'm gonna wrap it and everything. Don't tell Dave. No, I can't show you because you're gonna tell him.
No, I'm not.
Promise?
Yeah.
Don't tell Dave. This alarm clock is his birthday present. Whoa. Now sit
I
down.
make it there.
We got it at home. I'll show you once you get your belt done. All right, now we're going home.
Read on my bed.
3 trips is enough for one day. Let's go. Bro, welcome to the grass. I know your eyes looking better. We're gonna keep cleaning it out, okay? Here's me. Oh, what? Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. All right, how's the eyes looking? Oh, you still got a little bit on that side, but it's getting better. Yeah. I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep doing it. Hopefully, next few days it comes back to normal. Yeah. Think so? Cool. Sir, look at that. Have you ever seen something so beautiful? Do you hold it? Careful. Don't squeeze it. Do you know what that is? That is an eggplant, sir.
Eggplant.
That is eggplant. We're going to try it tonight.
What do you mean?
That's a vegetable.
You like them one.
You don't even try it yet. No, you
Like them.
We got to cook it first.
Cookie?
Yeah, here. We're going to cook it later. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, but I want me to like them.
Oh, well.
Look, the beautiful one.
So this is probably the first time we did measurements on the couch covers because of these are oversized couches, and according to the measurements, they're supposed to fit. So here goes the small one. Honey, good luck. Oh boy. What? I was gonna get popcorn.
Me too.
Or is you gonna help her? No, that's for the couch. Yeah, so.
no, we are not here.
No, wash me already.
You wash them already? Let me see the hand check. Other side. Face check. Smile check. Nana, love you check.
Thank you.
Okay. He passed.
Yeah, thank you.
Watch what Nana's doing, bro. It looks like it's fitting so far, dear. Yo.
It's a buck.
So you gotta rotate it.
Oh.
Yeah.
We might need a time lapse here. Mahrez, what time is it?
This is a buck. This is a
Time
buck.
last time.
What time?
Time last time.
Darn right it is. Let's do it. Well, if I didn't know any better, I'd say good color choice, dear.
Are you pick your hand up?
Shh, they don't have to know that.
Maybe don't
We
let-
picked
they
it.
don't really look up on you and see them.
We picked it together.
Okay, we pick it together.
Looks nice. We did great. Smiling, having fun, laughing, and appreciating our color choice. Did you like it?
What?
The couch. What? What are you
Yeah.
saying? What, boy?
I'm like it course.
Okay, me too.
You like a blanket too.
Cool.
And I like my blanket.
Okay, good. Good night.
Don't wash them.
You and the puppy gonna sleep, okay? You're sleeping. Puppy's trying to sleep.
Yes, me.
Okay. Okay, someone got their jumper adjusted. Backing up.
You know
I
my
guess.
glasses, huh?
Oh no, no glasses. I think you look great without glasses. Or with glasses.
Yeah.
Well, that's one way how to do it. But yeah, look. Little strut, just a little twirl. Nothing? No, not the head, the whole body, dear.
Go to the turn.
Twirl,
right.
yes. That was a twirl, yes. But
Is
good.
that turn? Down at my foot.
Oh, a little kick up, little hey.
No, kick up. Eh.
Well, let's not get, okay, calm down.
Alright, where
But
down?
look, no, the feet look,
No.
she did a very good job.
Hey. No, hey.
I'm not taking it. Honey, you're gonna hurt yourself. Calm down.
No, where want me to do?
I want you to smile.
That mean I smile.
Nice. Yes, it looks great. The height looks great. Put a little heels on there and you'll be,
When you get heels
you're not supposed to. I don't know, dear. Where are you going to get the heels from? No, you might have to go shopping. Oh boy. Good job, dear. She did good. Look who's using his umbrella.
Yes.
Junior, that umbrella's looking good, man. Keeping you dry, huh?
Yes, sir. Doing ya.
Cool. Did you see it? Your 2026 vision board coming to life? We got to figure out how we want to cook it, but yeah. $800 for all those eggplant. Not bad. How was school?
Great.
Why was it great? No, you don't sit down, Junior.
My friend said,
Mhm.
if it, you see
Junior,
what
stand
they
up.
said,
Stand up.
what they said,
Mm-hmm.
then you said, if you want, give me one of these,
Uh-huh.
you say one, come over here, Friday.
Friday. Okay. I don't know. Does he have a name? Does he have a number? How we?
In your Roger.
Okay, well, he has to talk to his mom, and we have to talk to his mom or whoever he's living with to make sure it's all right. And yeah, we'll need to sort that out. That's tomorrow.
Yeah.
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 Okay, so you need to give him. I don't know. Do you have his number? Well, then how are we going to figure that out for tomorrow?
You said my locks in mother.
And how? Why didn't? Maybe you should have gave him our number.
Me not know number.
Maybe you should get our number. It's in your phone.
Me not bring my phone.
I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. Hey, Dave. Evening. I know it's your birthday. Here's the first. You know what this is?
What?
You know what this is? You've never seen one of these before. Are you being serious? Yes or no?
Yes.
You touch it? Don't squeeze it.
One thing.
It's an eggplant.
Oh. You come for Richard.
No, I bought them.
What is so?
We're gonna cook them today. Maybe they're fried. I don't know. We haven't decided. Maybe fried. We're gonna find out. But because it's your birthday, Craig has offered to cook the spaghetti, which is cool. We found the spicy sausages. We found the spaghetti. And we found cake. Kind of. Yeah, it's in the fridge. What do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, there's more. There's 2 more behind them.
5, 6.
Yeah. So we searched all over Highgate for a whole cake of plain cake, and there we found marble, we found cheesecake, we found other cakes, but they didn't have any plain cakes. So, in one of our last stops, we found pieces that had been cut and ready to eat. So I figured we could take those cake pieces, put them together, and make a cake.
Yeah.
Oh, we should tell them what else we found. Guess what? Here, should we show them?
Yeah.
We're gonna show them.
Come here. Come here.
Come, Dave. I don't know why we're walking over your bags, bro. Really? Mahrez, here we go. What number is this? What number is that?
1.
Number 1. What number is this?
The machine.
Number what?
3.
4.
4.
What happens when we put them together? What number do we get?
1.
14.
14. This one.
Yeah. Together.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll keep working on that. But we got a cake.
Yeah. Yeah.
We got spaghetti. And
Spaghetti.
maybe one more thing, but we'll tell you later. Okay? Cool. Let me know when you're ready to eat. Mm-hmm. Good evening, sir. I got a surprise to show you. You ready? No, you're not ready? Oh, evening. Ready for the surprise? I'll take that as a yes. The surprise? The couch blankets, well, yes, the couch covers did change. Good noticing of living room decor, but there's another surprise. You sure you're ready? Come to the kitchen. Come on. Look what I found today.
Julia, tell me about the eggplant.
He told you already. He ruined a surprise. Touch it. Have you ever seen one before? It's not going to hurt. Don't squeeze it too tight. We're going to cook it. Yes, you have to cook it. You can't. Yeah, you need to cook it. It's kind of like breadfruit. You got to cook it in order to be able to really enjoy it.
So you can't just peel it and eat it?
I mean, you can, but it just doesn't taste very good. So we're going to cook some tonight. I think if we're lucky, we're going to air fry it. We'll figure it out.
What do you fry?
We're going to put it in that thing right there. Yeah, I found these. These are only, I got all of these for $800, bro. I know. $400 a pound. Isn't that cool?
Opa, you buy it.
Up a Highgate.
Opa.
No, man. It was just in the
80?
middle. No, it was in the middle of town. One of like some of the people that have like the fruits and the vegetables stand. So we're gonna try it.
So you go get.
Hmm?
But I want to say you have to cook eggplant.
We'll figure it out. We're gonna find a recipe.
Me think you just peel it and you see purple part and eat it.
Oh no, it's not even purple on the inside. You're gonna have to wait and find out.
What color is it?
I don't know. I haven't cut it open yet.
Oh, below.
What?
Black.
We'll find a recipe soon, promise. I know. It's 5 o'clock, bro. All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 nights of I will call it interrupted sleep is beginning to take its toll. And while I'm happy and content with my level of patience, it's going to be an interesting evening. So it's going to be clips of this evening, paired well with a musical number that's gonna fit the mood. And at this point, I don't know how it's gonna end up. So I will do my best, given it's been a long day, to keep the sanity of your time and ours, to end this episode with a nice musical number and shots of Dave's birthday present, cake, candles, eggplants, and hopefully Craig cooking the spaghetti as an offering, a peace offering for showing that what it's like to do things for other people on their birthday. That's what we have settled on. And more manipulatively, they boys know that if they want to go to Margaritaville on Saturday to celebrate Dave's birthday and benefit from it, then they need to step up and make an effort. So here's the musical number, here's the clips, here's the evening, and here's to getting some sleep tonight. Now that Dave might have an alarm clock to help out with the night shift. Here we go. What's up, Brownie? You coming back in? Did you have a good time? Okay, take a little one. Take a little one. Wait, hold on. We're going to try it on 3. Take a little one. You're not going to try it? All right, Andre's going to try it on 3.
Okay.
Little one. Take that little one. No, it's not a little one. You don't even try it. Andre, go for it. That's the little one. No, Mahrez, you're good. Ready, cheers on 3. 1, 2, 3. Just eat it. That's good.
I'm gonna take one too.
Okay.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna like it.
Okay. Oh well. Mine's gone already. Yours gone? That's good. Thumbs up? Thumbs up?
It was supposed to be but bubble.
All right, Junior. Come on. I hope you wash your hands. Take a small one. No, take a small one. Yes, Mahrez, you eat it. Mahrez, where's it? Where is it? They're gone? In your belly. Junior, we can eat? Okay. Cool. Words, I just need a facial reaction. Try it, Dave.
Yes, look.
Try it, Dave. No, try it. It's your birthday. I'll give you cake. Just try it. Bites. Bites. Craig ate the whole thing. It's got an interesting texture, but it's got like a... Dave, try. Try it.
Just try.
No, you didn't. You just went, Take a piece. Just eat it, dude. Why are you such a Sally? You're 14 years old. Keep going. Yeah, keep going.
Birthday to you.
Keep going.
You're supposed to keep on singing.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Dave. Happy birthday, Dave. Happy
Dave
birthday, 14. I don't know the rest of the words. You. Yay! All right. And
Many more.
Oh, God.
You know.
blow the candles. Make a wish.
The Mickey already.
Yay! Happy birthday, Dave.
Happy birthday.
Now, before you open it, this is a functional.
Oh.
That's a funny looking box for a toothbrush.
I send it. When in spirit.
We went all over Highgate to find this, and there was only one.
Here, but.
We don't want to make too much noise on me every night.
Squanculator.
How about we read the box?
Squanculator.
Speaker alarm clock.
It is a speaker alarm clock.
Yeah.
Yes, speaker. And yes, alarm clock. So that Dave can set an alarm and get up without someone else having to worry about him. Yeah, we went all over Highgate for that. Man. But it doesn't have to plug in.
He did.
I'll find a head for you.